Jere, what did you learn about Hermie?
Hermie?
Naku po, hindi ka Hermie or, oh, my Hermie is having an asthma attack.
He has asthma.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes he gets an asthma attack.
What causes the asthma attack?
Mold things, irritants,
Okay.
cotton.
What happens to an asthmatic person when there's an irritant?
He gets an asthma attack.
What does that mean?
That means he can't breathe that well and he's gonna cough, uncontrolled breathe, and then like an inhaler to put in the medicine.
What does the inhaler do?
It puts medicine inside.
Yeah, what does the medicine do?
It helps the asthmatic person breathe, because this is how the asthmatic person breathe sounds like.
Why do you think that's the sound of his breathing?
Because sticky phlegm like blocks the breathing hole, and it also gets smaller. It's like you're getting choked.
Oh, really? Okay, what did you learn from that book that surprised you?
Surprised me.
Or that's most interesting for you?
Hermie was the star of the show, of the book,
So why is that surprising?
even though he had asthma.
Why do you say he's the star of the show or of the book?
Because he was the main character, naman.
Yeah, but because it's about asthma. He's the one who has asthma. So even though he has asthma, he is the star. What made him a star?
Literally, he was the one that was different.
Mm-hmm.
Like a planet from a planet that's near a star, and you don't know why.
No, you're the one who said the word star. What does that mean to you?
That he's different than the other planets. Basically, the other children are the planets, and he's the star pointing out.
So why is he different?
Because he has asthma, and the others don't.
So why did you use the word star? Just because he's different and he had asthma?
Yeah.
Where were they?
They were camping.
Okay, what happened in the camp?
Someone had moldy sleeping bags. Asthma attack.
Anything you want to add?
Nothing. That's it for the day.
Okay, bye.